What is going on, guys? It is Eric Go, otherwise known as Oh No, It's Eric Go, coming at you with another video. And today we are going to do a quick unboxing and review of this super cool LED light that I got from a company called Olafus. And just before we start the video, Olafus actually sent me this light bulb. I am in the process of just doing some tidying up in the garage here in New York. And I noticed that the garage has very, very dim lighting. Usually it's, summertime, so there's a project that goes on during the day out in the driveway. I work kind of slow, so the project ends up becoming a longer project that we take into the garage. But because the garage is kind of tight and there's a lot of stuff in there and the lighting is not so good, I actually found a bulb that Olafus offers, and it is right here. And we're gonna do a quick unboxing just to show you guys what it looks like. And again, before we go ahead and show you guys the light, I'll post a link in the description below to this particular model. Wow, that fits really perfectly inside the Amazon box. All right, so it is an LED garage light. There are a bunch of models available from Olafus, but I chose this particular one. Ooh, it's quite the hefty bulb. All right, so in the box, you get this Allen key that we'll figure out what to do with later. What else do we have? Of course, we have the bulb unit. We'll get to that in a bit. There's one more little thing hanging up here. An adapter. I believe, it's a socket adapter from a big boy socket to a small boy socket. I don't think we're gonna need that, but we'll put that in the box just to make sure. Oh, this is so cool. Lighting facts, like nutrition facts. So it's 11,000 lumens. It costs $12 a year to use based on 3 hours a day. And it is a 5,000 K rating bulb, so that's kind of like a cool white. Exactly what I need, because we're gonna go check out the current lighting in the garage later on tonight, and you guys will see it's kind of a pea yellow. As much as I love warm white, it's not very conducive to working, so I think this is cool. It's non-dimmable, which is fine. We just have a switch in the garage, and it takes less than 0.5 seconds to start up. So definitely looking forward to trying this out. Anyway, enough talking. Onto the bulb. Wow, this is a monster of a bulb. So unlike some of the other bulbs that you guys have seen out there, this Olafus unit actually comes with some kind of a centerpiece. I think it's some sort of controller, or maybe there's some electronic board in there, but it's definitely bulkier and bigger than the normal, the tiny LED bulbs that you see, but the design is pretty much the same. It has adjustable angles here. So that's actually going to be really cool, because I'll show you guys in my garage. There's a garage door opener right near the socket. So I'll probably end up having the light look a little bit like this so it doesn't get in the way. Otherwise, it is a super sturdy design. It has heat sinks on each one of the LED panels. And I'll just give you guys another look at how it looks. What else do you have in the box? You have a nice little thank you card with contact info for Olafus, and just some safety card, and also some info and some measurements. All right, so it is daytime. We're gonna wait till nighttime to actually do the install and turn it on, because right now light is coming through the garage, and that wouldn't be a good indication of how well this light is. But for now, initial thoughts. This light is super sturdy, and I'm really, really excited to go use it. So before we go ahead and actually install the new bulb, I just want to show you guys what the garage looks like during the day. And just as a brief note, those windows, even though they're letting light in, I actually tinted those with 20% tint. So there's some light here, and again, as I mentioned, we have this garage door opener in the way, so I think the way that the LED light angles is really going to help us out. And right now I just have these two floodlights installed with a Y adapter, and I'll turn that on for you to see what it looks like beforehand. So excuse the clutter, but this is what the garage looks like. there is just a bunch of nooks and crannies that I need to get stuff in, and these lights don't really get there. And also on the other side, there's not that much illumination. So it's kind of dark in here even in the daytime. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to actually install this Olafus LED bulb, and we're going to cut to that just now. Super easy to install. As a note, you should probably install this without a car under it, but just to show you guys, super quick to put on. Let's make sure it's nice and tight. And as I mentioned before, really cool because we can angle the lights where we need them. I'm going to put one over there on the other end, towards that way in the corner. I'm going to put one like that as well. So it turns out we don't really have an issue with the garage door opener in the way, but I think I like how those lights are angled. That way there's a bit of coverage on every side of the garage. And let me turn it on to show you guys what it looks like in the daylight. So again, here's what the garage looks like during the day without the light on, and then voila! Why do you have to say something? You're messing up every portion of the video. Definitely much brighter than before. So like I mentioned before, that area was super dark, and this Olafus LED is actually perfect for this one car garage. Super bright during the day, and we'll actually give you guys some nighttime shots as well. So in the interest of time, we've actually decided to just block out the windows with some cardboard to simulate what it's like at night and show you guys what the Olafus LED light looks like in an otherwise dark garage. So again, that's with the light on. Super visible all the way around. So overall, this is an amazing light at such a great price. Don't forget to check out the Olafus store, not only for this 100-watt Tri-LED light, but also some of the other stuff they have. I'm definitely interested in checking out some of their work lights. I'll post a link in the description below, not only to the Olafus store, but also to this particular light model. And if you guys are looking for one for your garage, I think it is a great addition and a great upgrade to your current lighting. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.